So again, we have standards, and Indiana has particular standards that they meet or address. And so basically, in a nutshell, No Child Left Behind, it says whatever each state decides the students will learn, each state has to prove that students are learning it. So in order to do that, they'll usually do standardized tests in order to say, yes, here are our standards, and here are the particular multiple choice questions that measure whether or not students actually have achieved those standards. So that's how they've done it. So what I want to do now is, based on your lecture worksheets, I had you look up a particular standard. And so what I want you to think about is what kind of activity, and don't do it just yet, but what kind of activity could I do in order to help my students meet this particular standard? So this standard that I have as an example is to make sketches and write descriptions to aid in explaining procedures or ideas. So this is a 3rd grade Indiana science standard. This is a standard that they said, you know what, if our 3rd graders know this, they'll be pretty successful. It'll help them be successful in the future, whether or not they build on this or whatever it is. So, Indiana Academic on the website, for those of you that didn't visit it, it actually, you can say view resources on some of them, not all of them. And they have various types of activities, assessments, and even lesson plans down there. So here's an example of one lesson plan that goes along with that particular standard. So students will make sketches and write descriptions to aid in explaining how to do a certain task to other students. So they have them write down some kind of step-by-step. So for example, we could do how to upload your picture to Wikispaces. And so I would do a step-by-step, write a description of how to do that. So that would be my activity that I might do in my classroom to help students learn how to write step-by-step instructions and how to meet this particular standard.